think I'm more proud being an Indian after the Asisana program. Yeah, the history of India, like how these Britishers have invaded us and how India was actually like the richest country, I would say. It's
Mm-hmm.
still rich. I mean, the way it's perceived by these Westerners is a very negative image that they have about India.
हेलो रिचा, कैसे हो?
बस ठीक राहुल, how are you?
आई एम डूइंग फाइन, थैंक यू यार। थैंक यू सो मच यार फॉर योर टाइम इस पॉडकास्ट के लिए।
Thank you so much for proposing also. Like, I'm
इट्स माय
really
प्लेजर।
excited for this one.
इट्स माय प्लेजर, इट्स माय प्लेजर। सो रिचा, कैन यू प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट एंड देन जस्ट टेल अस व्हाट मोटिवेटेड यू टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस assistant dongle program?
So, just to give a little background, like I've been teaching French since 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
Like I started with school, college kids, and then I moved on to DELF
Mm-hmm.
training, TEF exam training, and all of that. So
Mm-hmm.
I've been doing this, and then I came across, during COVID time, like I came across a friend who was here. So
Mm-hmm.
I just asked about her experience and everything. So
Mm-hmm.
then I started thinking about considering this program, and then I thought of giving it a shot.
Okay, that's great. So where are
Yeah.
you from in India?
I'm from Mumbai.
You're from Mumbai. And which is your academy in this 23-24 program?
So for this program, I'm in Academy the Nancy Mess. So I'm very
Okay.
close to a city called Nancy.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. So how did you find out about the program and what were your initial thoughts?
So like I told, I think I had a basic idea about this program when I was a student at AF, and but I never considered it, ज़्यादा details
Mhm.
and all. I never thought of all of that.
Uh-huh.
Then so that's how I came across this program. And then actually, I mean, it started. I mean, I started considering it after my friend's experience and everything. Then I started inquiring more about it and थोड़ा और research किया online. फिर काफी अच्छा लग रहा था. So I'm like करते हैं.
Okay. Wow.
And post COVID, since all my classes were online, and
Mhm.
by then I had completely switched from like I had school kids, college kids plus DELF TEF training के लिए students. So
Wow.
post COVID, I completely switched to DELF and TEF exam training with adults, which was
Okay.
online because I was taking classes internationally also. A lot of students from
Okay.
Canada, France also.
So guys, one of you are willing to take French classes, so you can contact Richa ma'am. Okay, yes. Please, Richa ma'am, continue.
Thank you. So that's what. Then I thought, I mean, I can do the program and simultaneously continue my classes क्योंकि online है. So I was not constrained, to be in India. So that's when I thought करते हैं ये.
Richa, I saw your Instagram profile. You have explored a lot of countries, a lot of cities so far. So how you were able to, complete able to explore a lot of cities with the bare minimum salary of 800 euros?
So 800 euros तो है, but I'll tell you the biggest savings that I could make was on my rent, because rent actually 200 euros बोला गया था, and then we are eligible for CAF.
Yep.
So I'll tell you very honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Just give me 1 minute. Something is wrong with my camera. So since we are eligible for CAF, honestly starting में नहीं पता था कि कितना CAF मिलेगा, because ये सब पूरे CAF process पे depend होता है, and it is the most complicated process I think I have faced, but it is totally worth, because I'll tell you. So for the first month, every assistant has to pay the entire rent. तो first महीने का CAF नहीं मिलता, जो भी CAF मिलेगा वो second month से मिलता है. तो I suggest the future assistants, if you all are watching this video, to apply for CAF in the first month itself, ताकि आपको next month से CAF के लिए आप eligible हो जाओ. you know.
According to
So
my experience, 1 month के like first day पे when you make your application, काफ का account बनाओ and then just guys depose votre fichier. Otherwise बहुत time लगता है. अलग अलग city का अलग अलग होता है. क्योंकि when I was in Nice, it took me around 3 months. Like yeah, 3 months. In Paris, लोग एक एक साल से wait कर रहे हैं. So please करो, apply करो.
yeah, and another thing is, um, every region ka CAF works differently. So it will never be the same. Like if your friend received CAF jaldi, doesn't mean you will receive on the same time.
Right.
So like I tell you, in my case, I applied in the month of November, क्योंकि अक्टूबर का वैसे भी CAF नहीं मिलता.
Yeah.
नवंबर में मैंने अप्लाई किया था. I received CAF in the month of March, और वो नवंबर से मार्च का पूरा एक साथ आया. And the best part I'll tell you, I received 150 euros as CAF. So technically I had to pay only 50 euros rent.
Mino,
saved. Oui, c'est vrai.
Oh la la.
It came as a very big shock because I'll tell you, जब मैं apply करने गई थी, I went to the CAF center because I had a lot of questions. So she told me approximately 80 euros तक you'll be reimbursed. तो मेरे माइंड में कहीं पे था कि हाँ चलो 80 euros ही आने वाला है. And then when I got to know कि 150 reimburse हुआ है हर महीने का, I was like चलो इटली जाते हैं, उड़ाते हैं. And so yeah, I think that's how it went. And I think travel and all is easy if you manage your finances well, like groceries and all. Apart from that, I was just spending on traveling, so I could explore a lot of places because of that. And honestly, I've not used any of my savings from India.
From India? Wow.
नहीं, तो मैंने जो भी ट्रैवल किया है, जितने भी, I think I've visited around 5-6 countries now, and I managed everything from the salary, so everything is doable if you can manage the rent, like your expenses then. And I'll not deny, मैंने शॉपिंग भी बहुत की है हर ट्रिप पे.
अच्छा, हर ट्रिप पे शॉपिंग किया. अरे यार, हाउ लकी यू आर. यहाँ देखो भाई, यहाँ पे मैं फुल टाइम जॉब करता हूँ, मैं तब भी नहीं निकल पाता. ठीक है, तब भी मैं घूम नहीं पाता. ओके, वो अलग.
यार, that is the plus point. And second point is my lycée also is very cooperative. तो उन लोगों ने मुझे क्या दिया ना, they told me if you want to travel, just let us know in advance, so we'll adjust your working hours आगे पीछे. And honestly, ये 12 hours का working contract पे लिखा होता है, but there are times when I'm just doing like 3 hours, 5 hours a week. So
Yeah, maybe sometime plus.
Yes, and the best part I think is the teaching profession in France. Like teachers को यार हर 6 हफ्तों के बाद 2 weeks का वो vacation मिलता है. And plus we assistants, हाँ, after every 6 weeks we have 2 weeks का vacation here in France. So all the schools, colleges, everything is shut, which is the plus point. So I've traveled on all my vacations. उसके अलावा भी long weekends मिलते हैं alternatively. So long weekends, my lycée, what they suggested me was alternate Fridays और Mondays को off day. तो मुझे Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday ये चारों दिन off मिलते थे.
Wow. So yeah, you are just explaining about your, school and all. So can you describe a typical day as an assistant, English language assistant in Nancy Metz?
So the lectures are never consecutive. तो कभी 2 घंटे होते हैं, 2 घंटे एक साथ होते हैं, like in just one lecture. Then I come home. Since I'm staying in the lycée Anterna, in the college campus itself, so it's very easy. I mean, I just leave, like 10 बजे का lecture होता है तो 2 मिनट पहले निकल जाती हूँ, फिर lecture लेके वापस घर पे आती हूँ. Then I cook, eat, do whatever. Then again I have my lecture maybe in the afternoon. So it's very peaceful. Like कुछ hectic है नहीं, travel करना होता नहीं है. So it's very peaceful. And I'll tell you the best part about the lectures, like life of an assistant is you are representing India in front of these French people. So you know,
how
it's
do
an
you
opportunity.
represent India? This is a very tricky, or I would say different question, because in France, French people have their image like कि इंडिया हमेशा से एक गरीब कंट्री रहा है और वो अभी भी गरीब है. तो how do you as a English assistant, how do you present India?
Okay, so first things first, सबसे पहले I've educated them about the story of India, the history of India, like how these Britishers have invaded us and how India was actually like the richest country, I would say. It's
Mm-hmm.
still rich. I mean, the way it's perceived by these Westerners is a very negative image that they have
Mm-hmm.
about India. So I think I've worked on doing that. And क्या होता है ना, एज एन असिस्टेंट जब आप इंडिया के बारे में बात करते हो तो आप अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस या पर्सनल पर्सपेक्टिव से नहीं बात करते.
Hmm.
यू represent, I mean, you talk about the country as a whole,
Yeah,
you know.
true.
So I've talked on a lot of topics like, you know, the Indian history especially, like बहुत सारी चीजें मैंने बताई है इन लोगों को. And they
Mm-hmm.
were completely shocked because they are never told about this thing. कि
Okay.
you know, UK, like Britain just looted us and everything, you know.
Hmm.
So, but I still tell
It's a
them that
history
India
thing.
is still, I think richness of a country doesn't depend only on money,
Yeah,
depends on a lot of things, I tell them.
people.
And India is still
Yeah,
rich in
unity.
culture, heritage,
Yeah,
knowledge,
yeah,
everything,
true.
all aspects.
Yeah,
And so, yeah, I think I have very proudly represented India.
have to
And
be.
that is very important as an assistant because there are a lot of sensitive topics also, negative topics also on which I've discussed, like mental health condition India में जैसे थोड़ी नहीं काफी ज्यादा खराब है. And so lot of different topics, you know, but at the same time I learned new things about India जो मुझे शायद पहले नहीं पता थे. Like
जैसे
India is known as the pharmacy of the world,
हाँ ये हाँ फार्मेसी
you know.
क्योंकि इंडिया इज लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर इन द फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री.
Yes, that's right. So I knew about it, but I never knew that India was called a pharmacy of the world. So ये सारी चीजें पढ़ के काफी अच्छा लगता है. And I've addressed a lot of different topics also, like you know, ये जो मैच मेकिंग होता है, अरेंज मैरिज के कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं, ये स्टूडेंट्स काफी ऐसे. And since I'm teaching the lycée kids, they are more you know, curious about this thing. So I've talked on a lot of different areas, and I think personally, मेरे भी perspectives towards these things and towards India has changed in a very good way. It has always been good, no doubt about it,
बट अब
but
श्योर हो
it
गया
has
कि
even
प्राउड टू बी
improved
इंडियन.
now. I think I'm more proud being an Indian after the Asisana program.
Okay,
So,
so maybe I just saw your again Instagram profile. You mentioned you are a yoga teacher, spirituality. So how spirituality help you or helped you to manage your typical day as an English language assistant? Maybe in France.
I'll tell you now, this is a very big thing for me. I mean, I
Mm.
consider it as a very big thing in my life, at least. When you are an assistant, you are never, I mean, chances are less that you will be assigned big cities like Paris,
Mm.
Nancy. काफी assistants है Nancy में भी, but they are in the outskirts. Okay,
Mm.
so majority of the assistants are considering the salary, expenses, everything. You know, you can't
Mm.
afford living in big cities,
Yeah,
metro
true.
cities. So they give you, and another thing is the reason they give you small towns and villages is to have that authentic French experience. You
Mm.
know,
True.
so when you are in such small places,
Mm-hmm.
and when so I'm the only assistant here, so I'm all alone in this apartment. I have nobody to talk to, you understand. And another thing is spirituality has, and yoga of course has helped me, like I never felt lonely. There was no room for loneliness in my life, and I experienced that after coming here. Because in India I'm always surrounded by people, you know, I never realized this. तो ये जो लोग lonely feel करते हैं, ये है, I think this thing was a very big advantage for me. I never felt
Mm.
lonely. I knew, I mean बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो you know ऐसे अकेले रह पाते हैं. Like
True.
I've seen a few assistants who went back to India like within the first month.
Yeah,
this time,
I have
because
heard.
they
Yeah.
get lonely. So, but I think if you see the positive side of the program,
Mm-hmm.
this is just nothing. So I think
Okay.
yoga and spirituality has helped me in that way.
Okay. So, what practices you do to keep maintaining your spirituality? I'm just curious to know. Ki,
So,
yeah, yeah,
so
कि
when I came from
meditation करना
India,
and all. Mm-hmm.
when I came from India, like I had carried a small temple setup.
Okay.
Like I have a small temple set up in my bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
So, that thing gives a little positivity.
True.
Another thing is meditation. Yes, I think
Mm-hmm.
पूरा ही दिन meditation होता है यार, कोई होता नहीं है पास में. So, I have been doing my yoga sequences and all of that. तो ज्यादा करके मैंने जो ट्राई किया है ना, वो मैंने बाहर जाने का ट्राई किया है. आई हैव ट्राइड मीटिंग पीपल.
Mm-hmm.
आई हैव गॉन फॉर लाइक जस्ट रनिंग इन द फॉरेस्ट अराउंड
Mm-hmm.
नियर बाय माय प्लेस विद अ लॉट
रनिंग
ऑफ
सो
पीपल.
हमारे पास फिटनेस गुरु फिटनेस कोच भी बैठे हुए हैं, सो गाइस, तो अगर किसी को इंटरेस्ट है योगा के अंदर तो रिचे मैम से कांटेक्ट करें. यस प्लीज मैम.
Not just yoga, I'll tell you. मतलब yeah, I've started. And I'll tell you very honestly, फ्रांस आने के बाद ना मैं बहुत ज्यादा मतलब फिट हो गई हूँ.
फिट हो गए
बिकॉज
ओ.
तुमको वॉक कितना करना पड़ता है. प्लस
हम्म.
यहाँ पे आजू बाजू में यू सी पीपल, दे आर सो फिट. एंड अनदर थिंग आई टेल यू, आई हैव बीन असाइंड टू institutes. One is Lycée where I'm staying, so I do
हम्म.
10 hours here and 2 hours in a college
ओके.
which is like just 10 minutes away from my house.
ठीक है.
So uh, um,
तो
तो क्या
रश नहीं
हुआ ना,
होता,
एक बार
भागा
वो
दौड़ भागा दौड़ नहीं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता क्योंकि वो 2 hours होते हैं. तो कभी वो मुझे लाइक 15 दिन में एक बार बुलाते हैं. 3-4 घंटे
ओ.
के मेरे क्लासेस हो जाते हैं. कभी
हम्म.
कभी तो महीने में एक बार होते हैं और वो पूरा दिन बुलाते हैं कि मतलब ये
फिर
थोड़े
ठीक है.
इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करने हैं. स्टूडेंट्स ने इंडिया पे प्रेजेंटेशंस बनाए हैं.
वाओ,
तो
दैट्स ग्रेट.
लॉट ऑफ ओवरवेलमिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस आई हैव
हम्म.
हैड ऑनेस्टली. क्योंकि ये स्टूडेंट्स मतलब इतने ज्यादा एंथुजियास्टिक होते हैं. तो इन्होंने जब इंडिया पे प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया था, तो माय पीआर प्रोफेसर रेफेरो, शी टोल्ड मी to just teach them a small Indian dance sequence because they wanted to learn something about yoga. तो थोड़ा बहुत मेडिटेशन वगैरह मैंने दिखाया. तो
हम्म.
बाकी के टीचर्स पेरेंट्स सब आते हैं वो सब देखने के लिए. इट्स लाइक एन एनुअल डे, you see.
हम्म.
So there one of my colleague जिसके साथ I've never worked also, even she is a yoga enthusiast. So she
वाओ.
saw that and she just got in touch with me and she offered me to go to some yoga class with her. And there's one yoga studio here. So I've been accompanying her, like she offered me to join her for yoga classes once a week. So I've
ओके,
been going with her. So it's a
दैट्स
very
ग्रेट.
different experience, yeah.
So, coming back, you are from Mumbai in India, right?
Right?
So, where in Mumbai?
So I'm near Borivali.
बोरीवली. ओके. सो बोरीवली. ओके. ठीक है. सो लाइक कभी कभी आई सो लाइक पर्सनली कि जब मैं फ्रांस आने का प्लान कर रहा था और आई मेट मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, जब वो फ्रांस आने का प्लान कर रहे थे, यूएस जाने का प्लान कर रहे थे, तो ना चैलेंजेस बहुत सारे आते हैं. ठीक है. फ्रॉम योर फैमिली, फ्रॉम योर पर्सनल लाइफ, फ्रॉम योर रिलेशनशिप एंड ऑल, की बॉयफ्रेंड है, गर्लफ्रेंड है, या जो भी है, उनसे. तो ऐसे कोई चैलेंजेस आए शुरू में या जब आप अप्लाई कर रहे थे तो, while you're
हाँ जी.
applying for the application?
जी बिल्कुल. तो I'll be very honest. I applied in 21. So I applied for 2022-23 program. I was going
Mm-hmm.
to come. Selection हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया. I was going through a lot of personal, like a lot of changes in my personal life. And I'll be very honest, like I was 25 that time.
Mm-hmm.
So, कहीं पे वो थोड़ा शादी का भी सब scenes चल रहे थे. So,
Oh,
I withdrew from the program just because I wanted to get married and things like that,
so you
which was a
wanted to
very
get
big
married, or you were in the pressure to get married?
both, you can say.
Okay, okay.
तो ये टाइम पे ना ऐसा होता है कि काफी लोग तुम्हें गिल्ट ट्रिप भी करेंगे. दे ट्राई
Mm-hmm.
मेकिंग यू फील बैड. यू नो
Mm.
इट्स नॉट जस्ट मेकिंग यू फील बैड, बट तुमको भी बुरा लगेगा कि यार मतलब आई वांट टू डू दिस, बट ये सब आ रहा है. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई वाज आल्सो गोइंग थ्रू. आई विथड्रू फ्रॉम द प्रोग्राम And then later on things did not work out and everything, but I reapplied in the same year.
Mm-hmm.
And 2023, 24, I'm here. So after coming here, like even when I was coming here this year also, my
Mm-hmm.
parents were against, they were
Oh.
like, salary ज़्यादा है नहीं, you pay
Uh-huh.
rent and all, how are you going to manage? एक तो लड़कियों का ये होता है कि पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं अकेले बेटा कब कैसे मैनेज करोगे,
That's true.
क्योंकि घर
That's
में कभी
true.
अकेले गए नहीं होते, all
Mm.
of that. Shadi and everything. I mean, for girls who are, in their mid 20s or late 20s, if you all are considering this program, and, obviously these personal things are always going to be there. But I feel, uh, Shadi and all also can wait.
Mm.
It's just a 7 months program, right? And
True.
I strongly feel people who really love you will push you to pursue what you like.
Yeah,
So if this is
yeah.
something, yes. I mean, if this is something really on your mind, you should definitely go ahead. I mean, you'll thank yourself later. And I think I'll tell you, this experience, these 8 months of experience has been the best experience of my life. So, so far, like this was the best experience.
Mm-hmm.
And like my parents, they were like, "Nahi, kya zarurat hai? You're making that much money here also.
Mm.
Why do you want to do all of that?" And I just booked my tickets like so that they shut up and they stopped telling me all of this. But how was I was in two states honestly. I was like ज़्यादा motivated नहीं थी, but at the same time I was like नहीं कुछ नया try करना है, like it's. But honestly, like this
एडवेंचरस
is
करते हैं
only
कुछ लाइफ के अंदर.
कुछ adventure करते हैं. But I was like I wanted to explore things outside India. Like how is the world?
Mm.
How do people think? How what is their life like? Their
Like,
culture, all of that. So I think this has given me a very different perspective of life and more confidence also. I will not deny.
so what has been your most memorable moment so far in this program?
Everything honestly. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो
कोई
like
एक
I
one secret that you didn't tell anyone and you can just comfortable to disclose in public maybe. One secret.
one secret. यार ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं, but I'll tell you something that recently happened, okay?
Okay.
I went to there's a small town called Annecy,
हाँ हाँ
which
NC.
is very touristic
Oh, you went
and
there?
very beautiful. Sorry.
You went there?
Yeah, I
Yes.
recently visited like
Oh.
last week. No, I think last to last week. And वहाँ पे क्या हुआ ना, ऐसे I was with a friend, another
Mm,
fellow assistant friend, and हम ऐसे घूम के आए, कुछ खाया and everything. फिर चिप्स का पैकेट लेके हम ऐसे गार्डन में बैठे थे.
mhm.
And there were two guys playing around. They were French guys, of course, and they just approached us and they
Oh la
started
la.
talking. They were like, "We stay here, so we are just going around the lake to walk.
Mhm.
So would you like to accompany us?" And all of that. So they became very friendly and all of that. And then we were like, "Okay, like jate hai." So we just took a walk around, and uh, that guy had something else on his mind.
Oh,
Like he
fair.
was looking for he was looking for a long-term relationship or something like that.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
And so like ऐसा लगा जैसे कि वो अरेंज मैरिज की मीटिंग फिक्स नहीं होती.
अच्छा ऐसा.
हाँ, he started
फिर?
asking age. He started asking my age. He started asking, and the biggest compliment that I think I take it as a compliment. Like it was the first time somebody told me that he asked me if I was Spanish. क्योंकि अब तक कैसा होता है कहीं पे भी मैं गई हूँ, they always look at me and they're like Indian. तो ऐसे शक्ल पे ऐसे पता नहीं उनको देख के ही पता चल जाता है इंडियन. And then
Oh.
he was like, "Are you Spanish?" I'm like, "No, I'm Indian." And then
Mhm.
he started like ऐसे इंटरव्यू जैसा स्टार्ट हो गया. He's like, "What's your age?" Um, and all of that. So people are like really super friendly, and
Mhm.
sometimes they flirt also.
तो
So
हाँ, फ्लर्टिंग आई थिंक हेल्दी होती है तो फ्लर्टिंग के लिए तो ठीक है. मैं भी
it's
करता हूँ लेकिन
okay.
टाइम टू टाइम फ्लर्टिंग इज हेल्दी. इट्स फाइन.
हाँ. So I think that is one experience. Rest, I think what happens in Europe stays in Europe.
Yeah, that's true. So how do you balance your teaching responsibilities? Like you teach TEF and DELF students with exploring France and learning about the culture.
So I'll tell you,
Especially
since I'm French,
French culture. Yeah.
your question is how do I balance my French teaching and
Friend,
exploring French
France.
culture?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Um, I think classes तो रोज ही होते हैं,
Mm-hmm.
since A levels and TEF students इनके classes every day होते हैं. But I take a break on the days when I'm traveling so that I can just have that experience without any pressure कि हाँ मुझे इतने बजे घर पहुंचना है, हॉस्टल
Mm-hmm.
पहुंचना है to start with the class. So I just take off when I'm traveling. So
Okay.
that way, I mean, and there are times when unexpectedly colleagues invite करते हैं या कुछ होता है, you know, something is just something just comes up as a surprise or something. So
Mm.
I reschedule my classes. So I keep it flexible.
Okay.
So that way the students also don't feel कि हाँ भाई मतलब she's not paying too much attention or something like that. So ऐसे weekdays में if I reschedule my classes to weekends or if
Mm-hmm.
I'm traveling on the weekend I try to balance things like that.
Okay. So as your French teacher, so do you think this program, Assistant Anglais program or English language assistant program, so help to improve your French language?
Definitely a lot. I'll
How?
tell you. Like when you're here and when you're communicating with people, whether it is grocery shopping, whether it is traveling, buying a ticket, anything, तुम सब
Mm-hmm.
कुछ फ्रेंच में कर रहे होते हो. And you're listening also, you're exposed to French language all the time. So I have I've realized the difference in the accent also. Like in Vosges, there's different accent. In Paris, people speak different French, like they articulate words better. So
Mm.
I've understood that differences also. And I think there are a lot of expressions and things I've learned like by communicating with them.
Mm-hmm.
The way they use certain words of
Mm-hmm.
it and the way they use those fillers and yeah, the
Uh-huh.
expressions. So many new words I've learned जो मैंने कभी books में या डेल्फ एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे नहीं सीखी थी. I think ये बहुत ज्यादा impact करता है. Plus when you're communicating with people, they are so excited to know, oh, you come from a different country and you still speak such good French. So that also motivates you a lot.
हाँ, ये बात तो सच है. ये बात तो है.
Hmm.
सो ठीक है. अगर ठीक है, अभी आपने चैलेंजेस बताए, ठीक है. सो लैंग्वेज इम्प्रूवमेंट बताया कि किस तरीके से आप लैंग्वेज इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. सो डू यू थिंक जिसको फॉर एग्जांपल जो कॉर्पोरेट से उठ के आया है कोई बंदा, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम फ्रॉम कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, ठीक है, तो डू यू थिंक दिस प्रोग्राम आल्सो हेल्प in their professional life after doing this program?
I'll tell you, yes, it does because um, it's going to add on. I mean, you're not losing anything. You're gaining a new
Mm-hmm.
experience altogether. And plus, यहाँ पे आने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले तो फ्रेंच आना चाहिए, right? And plus, when you have lived in France and you've had that sort of an experience, it just adds to the experiences that you have been gaining over a period of time in your corporate world also. So, I'll tell you very honestly, I have a very close friend तो मुझे देख के even she is inspired. She has been learning French, so
Oh,
she is inspired. She wants to appear for B1, and she's a CA
she
working in like she's
she is a CA.
she is
Wow.
a CA. She has been working in like the top organizations like KPMG and things like that. She has been working since 3 years with a very good salary. She's making more money than Asistana is paying them.
Oh.
But she still wants to give, I mean, she still wants to come here, explore like what life is here. And I just feel when you're working in MNCs and all of that, like 3 years of or whatever experience you have, corporate experience, and when you have this experience also, it just adds on.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
क्योंकि टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं ऑलरेडी तीन असिस्टेंट्स को ऐसे जानता हूँ जो ऑलरेडी सीए कर रहे हैं, फाइनल अटेम्प्ट के अंदर है वो. समझे, आई एम जस्ट शॉक्ड कि भाई जितने भी सीए हैं, ठीक है, अब उठ करके ठीक है लैंग्वेज सीखो या कुछ और करियर शिफ्ट करो. बट आई एम सो हैप्पी टू नो कि पीपल हैव करेज टू मूव देयर करियर एंड टेक द रिस्क.
Yes, I mean, and it's like since it's just a 7 months thing,
Mm-hmm.
I've seen a lot of people who are in their late 20s who are actually looking for a break from their career.
Hmm. Oh,
You know,
yeah.
and they decide to, मतलब ठीक है, salary and all ये आती जाती रहती है and it's a long term thing, but then
पैसा
they
तो
want
आ
to take
जाना.
a break.
Mhm.
हाँ, मतलब एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे आप ये रियलाइज करते हो कि ठीक है, पैसा सब कुछ नहीं होता, मतलब then it just comes on a secondary position. So
True.
I think these people are like looking for a break, or maybe, you know, whatever. I've met assistants who were like what,
Mhm.
30-year-olds also.
30.
So
या सो यही सही. मैंने भी देखा है कि लोग हैं ऐसे कहीं ना कहीं कि जो
तो ऐसा
काफी.
होता है, मतलब you are here, I was here with a lot of younger assistants, like जो
हम्म.
reunion होता है दिल्ली में. I met a lot of assistants who were just graduated and things like that. But after coming here, I met assistants who were older than me also. So I think whatever, irrespective of your background, I mean, this is going to be a very different experience. And I think exploring Europe, a paid vacation है basically.
हाँ यार, ये मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना है पेड वेकेशन है, पेड वेकेशन है. सो
It is.
हाँ. सो लाइक वन एडवाइस दैट यू वांटेड टू गिव टू फ्यूचर असिस्टेंट्स.
यार सबसे पहले नहीं, सबसे पहली एडवाइस तो मैं यही दूंगी कि whenever you come here, you buy a
हम्म.
French SIM card. Please verify if you can make phone calls to India for free, because um, I did not do that. Like I was told 150 countries were included and all of that, but
फ्री
and I
होगा ना
assumed
आपका?
India
फ्री
was. हाँ.
फ्री वाला होगा ना, FREE सिम कार्ड.
नहीं, मैंने बुइक की सिम कार्ड ली थी जो बैंक के साथ टाई अप था. तो मैं
हम्म.
बैंक में अकाउंट ओपन करने गई थी और वहां पे ये प्रमोशंस चल रहे थे. तो ही इवन
ओके.
ऑफर्ड मी दिस. तो मैंने सिम कार्ड भी वहीं से बाय कर ली. तो ही टोल्ड मी 150 कंट्रीज में फ्री कॉलिंग है, तो आई अज्यूम्ड इंडिया इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड मैंने लाइक 3 दिन लगातार कॉल्स किए. अब मैसेज या कुछ आया नहीं, तो आई डिड नॉट रियलाइज. तीसरे दिन पे तुरंत मैसेज आता है, 240 यूरोज पे करने हैं आपको.
ओ भाई.
तो उतने में मेरी एक ट्रिप हो जाती.
सही में यार, सही में, सही में.
तो आई टेल यू, आते ही ना 15 दिन के बाद हमारी 2 वीक्स की वेकेशन स्टार्ट होने वाली थी. तो
हम्म.
बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फोन बिल्स एंड ऑल, आई हैड टू मेक चेंजेस इन माय ट्रैवल प्लान. तो मैं पहला वेकेशन ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाई थी. आई
भाई
वाज
तो
जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग.
बहुत शौक लगता है, मुझे पता है, मैं सफर कर चुका हूँ इस चीज से.
तो
सो
या,
okay, so maybe the last question, yeah, maybe second last question. What are your plans after completing the English language assistant program? Your future plan?
तो माय फ्यूचर प्लान, आई वांट टू स्टे बैक.
You want to stay back here in France?
इन फ्रांस, या.
Okay, why?
आई फील ये 8 महीने बहुत जल्दी निकल गए यार.
Just awareing you, you will end up paying a lot of taxes here in France. I'm not even kidding.
That's okay. When I reach that point, maybe I will go back to India. But I think these 8 months were like, they went by very fast.
Mhm,
And I think I'm enjoying this experience. Actually,
mhm,
I'll tell you, more than exploring French culture, the language, and all of that, I've explored myself more. Like, I've seen different
mm,
versions of me when you travel solo, and that gives you a different level of confidence in
mm,
you. So, I think personally, I've developed so much, so which is
mhm.
why I want to see more of that, you know. And द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज, यहाँ पे तुम्हें कोई जज नहीं कर रहा होता, कोई देखने
यार
वाला नहीं. देखने
ये
वाला
बात
नहीं,
सच
बट
है.
there's nobody to judge you, right? That's the biggest advantage. So you do whatever you want, you make mistakes, you're never
Mhm.
guilt tripping yourself for anything. So I just like that. And I want to see more of that. As of now, I feel I want to stay back and find another job, and I'm going to
Mhm.
try my best to do that.
Ok, bah, c'est très bien. So
Yes.
let's end this podcast by asking you a chocolate question. Okay, जो कि मैंने आपसे डिस्कस नहीं किया था, बट मैं हर एक कैंडिडेट से चेक चॉकलेट क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. सो या, wait. Let me, just ask a different question. Okay. So can you just share a lost in translation moment you have experienced during your stay?
Come again?
Can you share a lost in translation moment you have experienced during your stay here in France?
लॉस्ट इन ट्रांसलेशन एज इन
एज इन कि इंग्लिश में भी नहीं आ रहा वर्ड, वो फ्रेंच में भी नहीं आ रहा, एंड देन।
अरे यार वो हर बार होता है। अब तो
अच्छा।
ऐसा हो गया है ना, अब तो आई टेल यू ऐसा हो गया है, जैसे दूसरे इंडियन असिस्टेंट से भी बात कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो सेंटेंसेस में आधा फ्रेंच और आधा इंग्लिश आ जाता है।
फ्रॉन्गले।
जैसे एग्जैक्टली दैट इज व्हाट हैज बीन हैपनिंग, लाइक अगर कोई फ्रेंड पूछ रहा है क्या इसके बारे में तुझे पता है क्या, एंड आई एम
हाँ।
लाइक नहीं ब्रो नहीं पता है, लाइक रोसेंट हुआ।
ओके।
तो ये बहुत हो रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, लाइक क्या खाना है एंड आई एम लाइक पाव शोकोला, नाम ले लिया, या फिर कुछ भी। आई थिंक वो फ्रेंच एंड इंग्लिश का कॉम्बिनेशन हमेशा, आई टेल यू दिस थिंग, there was a debate going on in the class and they asked me, consumption was the word they were supposed to use,
हाँ हाँ
and
हाँ
French लोग consummation बोलते हैं।
हाँ 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 हाँ,
तो
राइट।
फिर मैंने भी consummation बोला, एंड आई एम लाइक नहीं consummation नहीं, इसका कुछ और वर्ड था, आई रिलेट। तो आई टुक लाइक 30 seconds टू रियलाइज नहीं, कंजम्पशन नहीं होता, वो कंजम्पशन होता है।
ओके।
तो ऐसे मोमेंट्स काफी हुए हैं।
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट रिचा। सो बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके। एंड गाइस, इफ
सेम
यू हैव
हियर।
एनी डाउट यू कैन डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट रिचा। ठीक है, मैं उनका ईमेल एड्रेस जो अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के अंदर मेंशन कर दूंगा। सो रिचा, थैंक यू सो मच यार फॉर योर टाइम। सो सी यू। हेलो, you're there, yeah.
Yeah, I'm there.
So thank you so
Sorry,
much
some
for your time,
organization.
yeah.
Thank you so much. I was so excited for this, and thank you so much for offering this also.
Thank you.